Hi friends, today in Ms Donzella's kitchen, I am going to make an old-fashioned tuna melt. It's a very classic, old school favorite. It's easy, delicious. We have our tuna with cheese on the inside, crispy on the outside. So friends, I'll show you how to put this together. In my bowl here, I have some albacore tuna that I have drained and flaked. Separating with the fork, that's what I mean by flaked it out. And then I added some mayo. I added some sweet relish. I added some Mrs. Dash lemon pepper. And I also added some onion powder. You season this to taste. Some people use little green onions, red onions, a little celery in here. But I am not doing that today. I'm just doing a very basic tuna salad. We'll sprinkle a parsley in there. And let's put that all around. Okay, friends. And then in my pan here, I have some melted butter. Rather than butter our bread on both sides, what we're going to do is put butter in the pan. So now we'll take our tuna. Set you aside for just a moment there. We'll spread our tuna. We'll spread it on your bread. And friends, use the seasonings of your taste that you like. I'm just using very basic seasonings here. All right, and I had already tasted it, and so it is seasoned to my satisfaction. Put a little bit more on there. Okay, friends, so we're going to take this our bread. Okay, so now we're going to put this in our pan with our butter. And on top of that, let's bring it a little closer there. So then on top of our tuna, we're going to add our cheddar cheese, some shredded mozzarella cheese, and then I'm going to add some provolone cheese, 2 slices there. Okay. And then we're going to add our other slice of bread. I'm going to leave that there and let it brown. And so we want to melt our cheese. So what I'm going to do to get our cheese melted is put my top on there so I can get it started to melt. Okay. And friends, this is very simple. Like I said, it's just plain albacore tuna that I've drained. I've added mayo, relish, onion powder, Mrs. Dash lemon pepper, and that's all. And you adjust the seasoning to your taste. And what we come out with are these nice, crispy tuna melts. Old classic. So I'm going to remove my lid so I can take a look and see how we're doing here. Doing just fine. Just fine. So we'll put our top back on. And friends, if you like easy, budget-friendly recipes that are quick and delicious, check out my YouTube channel at Ms Donzella Cooks. I would love for you to join me in my kitchen. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Just very simple, easy, nothing fancy in this kitchen. And we just use what we have in our pantry, our refrigerator, and our freezer. So let's check our tuna melt and see how we're doing here. It's beautiful on that side. Let's turn like so, like that. And friends, this is how our sandwich is looking so far. Let's put that back on the burner. Let's put our top on because this is what's going to help our cheese melt a little bit. Okay. And again, I just used some cheddar, some provolone, and mozzarella. You can use the cheeses that you like. And again, this is an easy, very inexpensive, budget-friendly, simple sandwich that you can make for lunch. It's great for dinner. Add your a bowl of soup, maybe like some tomato soup, and you have yourself a meal. A nice tuna melt sandwich with a bowl of good tomato soup on a nice cool day such it is where I live today. It's a great meal. So let's check our sandwich again. Our cheese is melting. Let's see how we're doing on the inside. Yeah, so our cheese is done. I'm going to turn it one more time. I'm just going to turn it one more time, friends. So I can get a little more. See what my cheese looks like. We need to melt it just a little bit more. Okay, let's put our top back on here. This won't take very long. And friends, with the price of groceries today, things are very expensive. We have to use what we have, work with what we have. I like to go back to some of the old school recipes where a lot of good dishes came out of very simple ingredients. So check out your, like I said, your cupboard, your freezer, your refrigerator, and see what you can pull together. All right, what we got here? Oh, there we go. There we go. It's another minute or so, friends, and we'll take that out. We will plate it, and we'll cut it and see what we have here. Okay. Again, easy, very easy tuna melt, where you have your tuna salad on the inside with cheese and a crispy, buttery bread on the outside. You can also add a little Italian seasonings to the outside of your bread if you like. Okay, friends, it looks like our sandwich is ready. So let's put it on a plate. See what that looks like on the other side. It's beautiful on both sides. Let's remove our pan from the burner. Turn our burner off. Okay, friends, let's cut into this sandwich here. There we are. All right. Let's see here. Crispiness on the outside. Like we're doing pretty good on the inside. Let's see what we have here. And hopefully our cheese is all melted. And friends, there you have it. Your easy tuna melt with your tuna salad on the inside with melted cheese. And you have crispy buttery bread on the outside for a cheesy, delicious, crispy sandwich. So again, friends, if you like simple recipes like this, join me in my kitchen, my YouTube channel at Ms Donzella Cooks. Like and subscribe to my channel. Again, I'd love to have you in my kitchen, friends. Have a blessed day.